Hi, it's Lisa the Worm Lady. I raise and sell red wiggler composting worms, but my garden flourishes. These are figs, and we prune the leaves off, and it helps promote the figs to get ripe. I want to take you around my yard here a little bit. There we have some black-eyed Susan and another fig tree. Over there, the tall plant, that's a kiss over the garden gate and old-fashioned 4 o'clocks. Got a little cactus, sunflower, more cactus. Here's my start of pineapples. Over here I have a pretty purple flower that the bees like. We have a quince tree. This is amaranth. And some really pretty zinnias. Down in here we have some comfrey starts. We have a serrano pepper. There's some more serranos in there. A few succulents. These are some of my worm bins. And I raise and sell aloe vera. Here's a homemade worm bin. We have kale, the superfood growing. And some more succulents. Here's some more kale, zinnias, and collard greens. We have a really tall sunflower. Just love my yard. It'll be sad when it's 5 o'clock and dark, because then I'll have to go inside. Here's some more collard greens growing in amongst some snapdragons and another Russian quince. Back there we have some canis, which is an annual. It grows from a tuber. This is a Desert King fig tree. This is our apiarium, and it produces a apricot plum mix fruit, and that was really good. We have some anemones. This is the white variety. There's one of our gooseberry bushes. And we have a pawpaw. Some more sunflowers. Over here are more of my worm bins and a big old patch of collard greens that needs harvested. So I have different bins that I keep putting in yard debris, coffee grounds, shredded paper, food scraps, grass clippings. And my worms eat it all. And I sell the castings and the worms. We have a holly bush and some Jerusalem artichokes. We have a rhubarb plant back here with huge leaves. And another black-eyed Susan. And that's just a short tour for today. Have a great day. Got worms?